click on the manager system, maintenance system.
Please verify your identity with the administrator.
Click on the log. Put in the username and the password for the default. The password is 123456.
The verification passed.
Okay, go to user management. Click on add. Put on your mobile number or any number or your mobile number. Put your name, any form, short form or okay. The password will be default. If you want to change, you can change now. Okay, you can change your identity. Submit. As successful. Confirm. You can press more to register your biomedical study. Press register. Back. Press back and okay, now stop. Okay. And then you have to press the add. Then you have to key in the new user, either the number or any number. For example, the number is 01. Okay, for example, the name is A. Number A. Yeah. Okay, so the password can be changed from here. If you don't change, you can leave it there. The default password is 123456. Then the new user just put in the general is fine. Okay, then submit. So after it's submit, it's created. So you have to link up your face and then link up the locker. So you press more for the biomedical. So now you can press the register. So the user come.
Registration successful.
So once successful, just press back. Okay, press more again. Press the pen.
The last one.
Last second. Okay.
Choose the locker.
Choose the locker. For example, he choose the locker number 1. So he can pair this locker. It's already paired. Okay, press the back. Once you show this icon, it means already paired. You can return back. Back one more time. Okay. Back. Back again. So this is finished. Okay, so when the new user come into the locker, you want to put something, you press the store.
Please verify.
Use your face to open the locker.
The verification passed.
So choose the locker and press confirm. The door will open.
Please close the box door.
So when the new user want to take something, you can approach the locker and press the take.
Please verify.
Use your face to open.
The verification passed.
Choose the door you want to open, press confirm. And when you leave, do not forget to lock your door. Okay, press the maintenance.
Please verify your identity with the administrator. The verification passed.
Okay, now we're going to show you how to do the log search. Press the log search. Here we show you the storage and the who storage, which company, which box, and what time. And here you can see the image of who opened this, actually do the storage. and you can press here, show you who take the thing on what time. And this is the operator, it means for the admin, any operation from here. And this is the alarm. Okay. Now we show you during the emergency, but the power is still on, how we open the door immediately for all the door. So press door management, click on the company, you press manage, you select all, press open. So now we show you how to open the door when it's no power. Okay, open the door, use the key, and there will be a lever over there. So you just press. Yep, the door will be open, even though there's no